AI touched everything, but it didn't fix anything. If it's complicated, AI is not going to be able to sell for you. But you can use AI to fill in some of the gaps, speed things up. I've had founders come to me and say, I want to have 20 employees and I have an 80 AI agents. You can't give that much control over to a machine because, like we talked about on the manufacturing floor, a lot of people have spent $5 million on a robotic stamping polishing machine. $5 million on a lease, right? 20-year lease. They still make mistakes. In the future, it'll literally be a human, and then the circle around him will be a robot, a device, an assistant, verticalized knowledge base that he interacts with. AI will help drive revenue. It's not going to replace your salespeople.
At least you're good salespeople, right? Virtual Select is an advanced production system for manufacturing, leveraging augmented intelligence of silicon and carbon-based workforce. Daren Fields is a commercialization officer, AI solutions consultant, public speaker, and creator of the Apex 8 methodology.
We are committed to getting people up to the level where they understand what we're saying so that we can then move on in the progression of manufacturing. I love being on this show. I like being on here with you because I think you're bringing the reality of it is let's keep it real. It's not as good as they say it is. It's not as bad as they say it is. It's somewhere in the Goldilocks middle. And that's what I like about doing a podcast with the right people. I'm pretty picky. The biggest, scariest movie on AI is not The Terminator. The one that I worry about